Mikey AI, he AI, he AI, he AI, he AI, he AI, he AI. Mikey AI, he AI, he AI.
Every action creates a reaction. Every gain, a shift in the digital equilibrium.
For years, the market was a labyrinth, unpredictable, until now.
My latest iteration.
No coding knowledge required, just precision, access, and the right gateway.
Remix, the forge.
The moment of activation. Aggressive gas fees, a necessary investment for undeniable speed.
The Mempool.
Hours pass. And market breathes, and my algorithms adapt, optimize.
I got tired of watching whales move before I could.
Tired of entering too late, or exiting too early. So I built something that never hesitates, never blinks, never waits.
Yeah, I gave it a brain.
Target identified. Front run strategy optimal. Trade approved.
The first time I ran it, I made 0.3 ETH in under 10 minutes.
Good morning to me.
This bot lives on chain. It hunts in silence. And it only answers to code.
Withdrawing now.
Want me to deploy this bot for you? Step-by-step purchase it, no coding needed. Drop Mikey mode on in the comments or DM me. Let's go full sniper mode.
This crypto bot is legal, but is it ethical?
This bot doesn't wait. It front runs millionaires in the mempool and eats slippage like candy.
Built with GPT-4.0, deployed in Remix, executed by Ethereum itself. No code? No problem. Just paste, click, and watch the ETH roll in, or so they say. Because here's the truth, the sandwich bot is real. So are the profits, but so is the risk. You're not investing, you're jumping queues in a blockchain casino. You're not trading, you're sniffing transactions in the mempool and outgassing other buyers by a few milliseconds. This isn't investing, it's combat. Here's how it works. It watches pending transactions. It jumps ahead with higher gas. It buys first, sells after the victim. It scoops the price movement and bounces with the bag. Sounds slick? It is. Sounds shady? You bet. This is the part they don't say out loud. That smart contract you copied from YouTube, it could have a backdoor. That tutorial you followed could be a honeypot in disguise. And that 1 ETH in 24 hours was probably a demo wallet pre-funded for flexing. Now listen close. I'm not saying don't build bots. I'm saying don't build blind. Use AI? Absolutely. Deploy smart contracts? Totally. But verify the code. Understand the strategy. Know the risk. Because if you want a real edge, you don't need a sandwich. You need a system. One that uses AI to sniff the market legally. One that trades based on real signals, not shady skips. One that grows over time, not overnight. I'll show you how. Want to build your own crypto trading AI without stealing lunch money from mempool victims? No rug pulls, no scams, no fairy dust, just smart bots with real code doing real work. This is how the pros do it. Don't be the guy chasing ETH dreams off YouTube. Be the one who codes the dream into reality. Let's build it the honest, scalable, AI-powered way.
Look, man, we're out here and we're just trying to use AI to do cool things, man. Is it racist to have this accent, man?
Freshly programmed dreams. Get your dreams here.
Do they come with a warranty?
Absolutely. Lifetime guarantee for all your nocturnal adventures.